Hello and welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Michael McMurtrey, food stylist for Ingles Markets, and today I'm excited to help you bring a taste of fall to your kitchen table. I'm here in the Blue Ridge Mountains at Abby J's home, and it's a gorgeous time of year and all those autumnal flavors are just waiting to be enjoyed. So if you're ready, I'm ready. I'm going to be making a spiral vegetable tart today. It's a plant-based, but I'm going to also tell you how you can make it just like for normal people. The first thing I've done is I've taken a half a cauliflower and I've boiled it. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of toasted, salted pumpkin seeds. I have 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, which you'll find in the baking area of Ingles. And it's got tons of B vitamins and minerals, and it has a cheesy flavor to it. Try it out if you haven't tried it before. I've got 2 tablespoons of white miso paste. You'll find that in the produce department, often near the vegetarian stuff. I have the zest of 1 lemon right here. I have 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. I always opt to go for a little bit more. I like garlic. I've got about a handful of fresh sage leaves and some fresh rosemary. And you can get fresh rosemary plants in Ingles produce, which is great because then you can just keep using it when you need it. I've got a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. All right, so now we're gonna pulse this up and make a paste that'll be at the bottom of our pie crust. Okay, you might need to scrape down the sides a couple times. So do that. Anyway, keep pulsing it until you get a nice creamy base. All right, that's good. The pumpkin seeds add a great nuttiness to this dish. It's great. You're gonna love it. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna let that sit. We're gonna get a premade pie crust, and we're gonna roll it out. I'm not gonna do it right now, but we're gonna roll it out, and you wanna spread it a little bit bigger because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it into a tart shell like this. So you line your tart shell with the pie crust, and then you take your filling and you put that at the bottom of the pie crust. And then we put that away. I'm not gonna do that today, and we're gonna prepare our vegetables. Now the vegetables are gonna be the most time consuming of the day, because you have to slice them all with either a mandolin or a vegetable peeler. I'm going to show you the important part is that you want a little bit of color from each of the vegetables you're going to use. Today we're going to be using zucchini, sweet potato, butternut squash, and eggplant. You can also add carrot too, or any root vegetable that you like. So what you want to do is prepare your vegetables in a way that when you peel them into thin slices, you're going to get a little bit of that color each time you do it. So you take your vegetable peeler right here, and you start here, okay, and you just go across, and you'll see how you get a little bit of color. So you're going to get lots of color on this dish. What we want to do now, once you have all your vegetables peeled, which we have here, you're going to start making a ring. All right, so let's start with a strip of zucchini. And we're gonna just roll it around like so. That's gonna be the beginning of your tart. And you start there and then you go to your next vegetable. Let's say it's a butternut squash. Now you notice how this is too wide here? So what it would be best to do is give all your vegetables a flat surface on the bottom. Take it, right down the center here, and now you have a flat surface to go around like this. All right, then you can take that. We'll do that same thing with the eggplant. All right, roll that around, and you can see how this is going to be a really colorful dish. We'll take a little bit of the butternut squash. Again, cut that in half. Roll that around, and you just keep going and going. At some point, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take like a flat surface like this, and you're gonna put it in the center, and then you're just gonna start wrapping your vegetables around and around and around. And then what you're gonna do is take this, put it on top of the creamy mixture that you made here that's in the pie pan, and then you're gonna keep adding to it until you fill it all the way in with this circle. You're gonna put it in the oven at 375 for 40 to 45 minutes, and you're gonna end up with something like this. All right, and we're gonna cut that and I'll show you what it looks like. And you have this beautiful spiral tart with this creamy, flavorful base. And it's full of autumnal flavors. This is a great dish to have for lunch with a little salad, or you can bring it to a party where there's people that are gonna be vegetarian. It's delicious. And there you have it. Give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it as much as I do. While you're here, explore the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. Happy fall, y'all.